So the schoolboy football season is not yet done, and already we're hearing grumblings about the schoolboys playing too much football, and that the 3 months of football is causing too much mental and physical fatigue, and that the governing body for high school sports, ISA, needs to intervene and do something urgently and blah, blah, blah. But you know, this is like a stuck record. Every year, we hear the same emotional nonsense about 17, 18, and 19-year-old schoolboys being overworked and burnt out for playing 2, occasionally 3 games a week for between 6 to 12 weeks. Now, first of all, you have football games and you have football games. Schoolboy football is low-intensity football. This is not the frantic, high-energy, high-pace, high-pressure professional football. This is like PE football. I have never heard any schoolboy actually complain, say them burn out and tired from playing schoolboy football. From my experience, the hardest part of schoolboy football is the preseason and the training. Matches are the easiest and the fun part, but as usual, we seem to have developed a vibrant industry in Jamaica where we create mountains out of mold hills and we major in the minor.